We are live in the age of digital technology where we surround ourselves with various technology and machines. Being an electrical and electronics engineer, I found myself very curious to know about the mechanisms of system. So that I decided to do my master's in engineering electronics. Namaste, my name is SAGUN Makaju and I am from Nepal. This is the video testimonial for Trobe University Global Excellence with 50% scholarship. Here in this video, I will discuss the various questions to answer that why I deserve this scholarship. There are the two reasons that why I deserve this scholarship. Firstly is due to my great performance on my academic and dedications, and secondly is due to my global visions. Since I joined Pokhara University in Nepal, where I am very hardworking and passionate toward my study, that helps me graduated from bachelor with 3.93 GPA out of the 4, and I also get every semester's scholarship from my previous universities as a form of reward for my great achievement and hard work. This scholarship is really helpful my study without any financial problem, and where I stand excellence on this my whole entire academic journey. At the end of my bachelor, I ranked first position in the engineering department, and also possible to write my name in the most honorable list, that is the dean list in my college. So I believe that myself as a good candidate for this scholarship. Besides this, with the visions of my course, I also want to contribute the global organizations development by advancing the technology in the developing countries, where these organizations can easily use this system to develop for their nation. I believe that this scholarship will really help me to achieve my goals without any financial worries in the upcoming times. In Australia, there are numerous colleges where my course of interest also available, but I have chosen the Trobe University since it is the best place to advance my knowledge and career aspirations, which has a world-class engineering research, top-rated globally, and pleasant career opportunity. Besides this, university provide very good scholarship for international students, where they can found themselves to focus on study without any economic problem. So I found myself this is the best university for myself. Besides this, university provide a very good career goals with the combinations of the real exposure in the practical field. Other than the opportunities with work in the real experience, during this course will provide a very good professional practice and professional networking with others. Moreover, this university has a very good record on their students, where there are a very genius professors are present who helps their study and their student. So these are the reasons that I found Trobe University is best among the other university, and I joined in the upcoming times for my post-graduation study in this university. I have planned my career goals in the two terms, that is the short-term goals and the long-term goal. For short-term goal, in the subsequent year, I will do my master's from Trobe University, where I learn the various technology and the aerospace engineering, robotics, and digital equipment designer. After completing my master, I will develop myself as an electronic engineer in Australia for 10 years, where I learn the mechanisms of various digital systems, mechanisms and embryology of the source systems. For the long-term goal, I will plan to advance the spacecraft and aircraft and also the robotics in my own latitude. This is not only my long-term goal, but also advance the most advanced technique in my country, where the researcher faces difficulties to do research, because in our land still the traditional method can be used for the research. So by involving this work, I will give my hand to for the positive change in the upcoming times. Being an electronic engineer in the upcoming times, I will develop the modern technology system in the developing nations, where in these developing nations also still the traditional approaches can be used to research on the spacecraft and the aircraft, where they find very difficulties due to the financial problem or any other reasons they do not accept the modern technology. I believe myself that my own experience on the real field will help to develop the economic aircraft and spacecraft, and also I want to motivate the youth to on the field of robotics, which is the future for the upcoming times. By involving this, I will help the developing countries for the upcoming times to the positive change for the real world. This is the end of my video. Thank you so much for me consideration for this scholarship. I hope you will be find right to me for this scholarship.